2-minute tip is on using Cabell's Directory of Publishing Opportunities. To go directly to one of the library's subscription databases, start at the library's home page and look for the database hot link, which is under the search window. Click on that. That brings up a database of all our databases. From here you can type in the search box up here a keyword from the title, or if you want to browse, you can click on a letter and browse down until you see the database you want and then click on it. The primary purpose of the Cabell's database is to help researchers select a journal to send a journal article to. Let's take a look at the database and see what it looks like. When you load the database, the first thing you'll see up here in the main bar is your access. Let's just take a quick look at that. We only subscribe to the 3 educational portions of Cabell's. So we will only be seeing education titles when we search this database. Let's say that I've written an article on reading and I am interested in submitting it to a journal, but I'm not sure which journal to submit it to. Let's type in reading, click enter, and the Cabell directory responds saying it found 11 journals in its database. It's a fairly selective database, and it is listing them right now in name order. Let's take a quick look at what you get. You get the name of the journal. By the way, this is a hot link to the journal's website. If the journal has an impact factor from journal citation reports, you will see that right here. We see acceptance rate. The lower the acceptance rate, generally the higher the journal is valued, meaning it's very selective. These figures and charts in the middle are Cabell's evaluation of the journal. And this says it's a traditional journal, it's not open access, and they do not know how many months to publication. Now, one of the things you can do is you can rank these journals. So I am going to rank them by the highest impact factor. I could also rank by shortest time to publication or highest CIC. That's the Cabell ranking. Let's do highest impact factor. If you need some information about impact factor, there is a 2-minute tip on impact factors. Okay, now we are seeing the journals ranked by impact factor. And one of the things you might want to do is compare some of the journals. So I am going to select the 4 top journals and compare them. Okay, now I can see in this comparison, here in this column is the first journal with the highest impact factor. Well, this one does not have double-blind reviews, so I might not be interested in that one. And time to submission, or time for review from submission, they're about the same. So you can use this kind of data to help you select the journal that you want. If you want to see all the journals that Cabell has in their database, just press enter from a blank screen like this. And you can see that there are over 1,500 journals in the education field that Cabell has prepared information on. Any one of these journals that you want a little bit more information on, you can just click on this journal detail and you can see the expanded screen. That's a quick overview of Cabell. If you need more help, and you probably will, go up here to get help and click on the guides. Once you get to the guides, you can skip this first one about accessing your subscription because you'll be using the Purdue subscription. And you can actually have this tutorial run simultaneously with the search, so you can have it like a guide by the side.